embracing warmth, comfort, and of course looking fabulous while doing so. In this video, I have painstakingly curated a range of outfits to provide you with an abundance of inspiration for crafting your very own unique winter looks. From casual outings to formal gatherings, these outfits cater to a variety of styles and occasions, enabling you to express your personality and fashion sense even on the coldest of days. When it comes to winter fashion, the cardinal rule is the layer. It all begins with a good base layer that keeps you warm and stylish simultaneously. For those extra chill days, a comfortable parka or surely wide leather jacket is an absolute must-have. These pieces not only provide insulation but also add a touch of elegance to your winter ensemble, ensuring you stay both cozy and classy. To wrap up this winter fashion showcase, I want to emphasize the importance of staying true to your own style, whether you lean towards a minimalistic and monochromatic look or love experimenting with bold colors and patterns. There is a winter outfit out there that's perfect for you. Be confident, have fun with your fashion choices, and most importantly, stay warm and cozy all season long. Now, one more thing to consider for your winter wardrobe is the importance of proper care for your clothing. Winter outfits often include delicate fabrics like wool, cashmere, and silk, which require special attention to maintain their quality and appearance. Here are a few tips for winter clothing: dry cleaning. Many winter coats and formal garments are dry clean only. Be sure to follow the care instructions on the garment's label and take them to a reputable dry cleaner when needed. Storage. When the winter season ends, make sure to store your winter clothing perfectly clean and dry your garments before storing them. Use garment bag or breathable storage containers to protect them from dust and moisture. Keep an eye out for any stains or damage on your winter clothing and fix them promptly. To complete this daytime look, you can't go wrong with a statement coat. Consider a classic camel-colored wool coat or a long line puffer jacket. These not only provide the necessary warmth but also elevate your overall outfit, and let's not forget those cozy essentials, a scarf, gloves, and beanie. They will keep you toasty and chic. If your day takes a more formal turn, think about a tailored wool coat in a deep, rich hue like enchanting burgundy or a opulent emerald green. Layer it over a chic midi dress. Velvet or silk dresses are exquisite choices as they effortlessly inject touch of luxury into your winter ensemble. Seal the deal with knee-high boots and accessories with the statement earrings for a dash of sophistication. For a chic yet casual daytime look, consider a pair of high-waisted jeans. Not only do high-waisted jeans keep you warm, but they also add a trendy edge to your outfit. You can opt for classic blue denim or experiment with different washes like black or dark gray. Pair these jeans with a champion sweater, oversized style, all the way to go for that cozy, effortless vibe. Neutral colored sweater is our style choice and can be effortlessly styled with various accessories. Let's talk footwear. Winter calls for warmth and protection, so I highly recommend investing in a pair of stylish ankle boots. Look for ones with a chunky heel or platform sole for both comfort and style. A neutral color like brown or black will complement almost any outfit. These boots will keep your feet snug while elevating your winter style game. To complete your daytime look, don't forget a statement coat, classic camel colored wool coat, or a long line puffer jacket. Now let's talk evening wear. For those special winter occasions that demand a touch of glamour, a sequin or metallic dress is the way to go. Pair it with heeled ankle boots. They will not only keep your feet warm but also infuse a hint of edginess into your ensemble, and for extra warmth and style, consider adding a fox fur stole or a fox leather jacket. They are bound to make heads turn. Remember, winter fashion is not just about staying warm, it's about expressing your personal style. Don't be afraid to stains are often more noticeable on darker winter fabrics, so quick action is essential. Wool care Wool items should be gently hand washed or machine washed on delicate cycle using a mild detergent. Avoid excessive agitation to prevent felting. Lay them flat to dry to maintain their shape. So I hope these ideas will help you and inspire you to find the perfect dress for you guys. If you have any sort of questions, comments, or please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer as soon as possible. If you do this, thank you so much, and until the end, I say that I will try my best to bring more amazing content like this in the future, so stay tuned and God bless you. Mix and match different pieces to create your own signature winter outfits. And of course, always remember to layer up to stay cozy in chilly weather. Speaking of winter fashion, it's not just about the clothing. Accessories play a crucial role too. A stylish winter hat and a matching scarf and a pair of touchscreen friendly gloves are an indispensable addition to your winter wardrobe. Now let's not overlook the significance of staying warm and snug while looking stylish. Layering remains the secret to achieving both objectives. For the coldest of days, consider investing in quality thermal leggings or tights to wear under your pants or dresses. They will keep you toasty without adding any bulk to your outfit. And for those bone-chilling winter days, you guys, Fox fur-lined parka or a shirling-lined leather jacket is an absolute must-have. These pieces don't just provide insulation, they also infuse a touch of elegance into your winter ensemble, effortlessly combining fashion and function. So, I hope that you guys found